Here is how to fix something went wrong error on YouTube. First of all, you need to close the YouTube application completely. If it's opened in the background, go ahead and close it. And after that, check your internet connection. See if your Wi-Fi is strong, stable, and working properly. Otherwise, you can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works. And then open a web browser like Safari or Chrome and go to a web page to make sure that it loads. Or you can also go to youtube.com, the web version of YouTube, and start using it instead of application. And then restart your phone. Hold the power button and the volume button together and tap on power off option. Or you can also tap on restart and simply go ahead and restart your entire system and see if the YouTube application works. Otherwise, you can reinstall YouTube application completely from your device. Tap and hold on to it and then tap on disable. Then enable it again and open your Play Store or App Store and simply search for YouTube application. And if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Otherwise, you can tap and hold onto the YouTube application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll down and go to storage, then click on clear cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And after reinstalling, open the YouTube application to see if the problem is fixed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.